Hi, good morning.
Morning.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Can you tell me about your work experience? Niyo po
Previous
yung
work experience includes working with an expat family, such as working with an Australian family with one kid, 2-year-old girl. And my second employer was an American Canadian family with one daughter, which is 9 years old. And my third employer is a British family with one daughter, which is 12 years old.
what were your duties and responsibilities on that job?
Being a housemaid nanny, my first task in the morning is to prepare meals or snacks for the kids for going to school, prepare her uniform, and assist her, accompany her to the gate to wait for the school bus. Then after that, start with my house chores such as tidying, cleaning, vacuuming, do the laundry, and ironing. Then before lunch time, I should also prepare some snacks for the kids before she gets home. And in the afternoon, I also help her with the school homework. Yeah, late in the afternoon, I also prepare something for dinner if required.
What do you usually do when you have free time?
I usually just stays at home, or once in a while I go out with friends in the park, or maybe accompany the kid. She wants me to accompany her somewhere else or in the park.
What do children like best about you?
Maybe they like me because I can deal with them with regardless of their age. I know how to deal with kids. I'm a conversant person, and I understand them. We understand each other. We can communicate each other.
How do you deal with kids feeling sad because they get separated from their parents?
When there are times that they get lonely, especially when the dad is out and she feels alone in her room and she needs my company. So I'll just ask her to join me in my room, or I join her in her room just to give her comfort.
How do you discipline children? Can you give me an example of a previous discipline problem and how you handled it?
Just one, just one situation is that when she lost her phone and she gets mad that she can no longer find it when she needs to go out. So I have to let her use my mobile for a while, so she could get in touch with whoever she wants to talk to.
What activities do you love doing with kids?
Most of the kid that I took care just wants me to accompany her out to the mall. That is usual activities that they want me to go with them, or in the park, or just outside.
What is your favorite task? Is it cooking, cleaning, or babysitting?
As I think cooking, the
What
cleaning, and then the sleeping.
what type of food can you
And
cook?
one of this employer wants, he loves the twice baked potato. I forget the names of the dishes that I used to cook, but all of which they like it. I usually get a positive response from them.
In terms of childcare, how do you know if the child is sick?
Well, I can see through their facial expression. You can actually see on their physical outlook. They are not happy, just feeling not alive.
What is the first thing you will do when the child gets sick?
I'll ask her to take a rest for a while, and then maybe prepare some healthy foods such as fruits or cereals, milk, some veggies. Be beside them
What is your first action when a child cries out loud?
to cuddle and comfort her, with her, and try to divert her attention, show anything that is nice around, or maybe get toys, entertain, or to sing with her.
How many years do you want to work in UAE?
As long as I'm still needed.
And why are you looking for a new employer?
Because this place that I am with now is just too far for me. The fare is has already gone up.
How much is your asking salary?
Shouldn't 2,000.
Do you think you would be a good full-time maid or nanny?
Yeah, I think
Can you tell me why?
because I can efficiently do the house chores, trustworthy, and hardworking.
Do you have any message to your future employer?
Hi there, Madam, sir. I'm Agnes, currently looking for a new employer. Hopefully, hopefully you choose me to employ as your husband.
Thank you so much for your time and nice talking to you.